I just got this Lishi key cutter, and since I've been in the industry, I have never really cared to give it a try. I figured why not, it was on sale. But I found a really cool, interesting use for it, in my opinion, is making really bad keys to disable locks with. So sometimes you get a landlord or someone that wants to disable a lock, and this is just a really quick and cheap way to do that. So right now I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna make a couple cuts. So this is a terrible key. That would not be something that you would find keyed to a home. Grab the Lishi cutter, and then I'm just gonna break it off. And I really doubt anyone's gonna be able to get that out. I definitely couldn't extract it. I tried it with another one, pretty messed up. I definitely wouldn't do this to someone else, but quick and easy way to disable a lock with the Lishi key cutter. Now I know what I'm gonna use this for. Cool.